Grace Achifeza Ngabirano obiratine kibina atunjiro burure mitware 5 enkominata na mwenda arukusinga Rose Kabajenyi wa National Resistance Movement ohireyo bururu emitware na enkomina rwenda 92 kandi Achifeza osinjire amusingiso bururu enkomitano benanshanjo na mukaga abanda babire bari mu karuru ne Sultan Salim Tana wa National Unity Platform ohireyo bururu rwenda bushatu Mebo Ingabire okurugo mu Uganda People's Congress ohireyo bururu bushatu nkaga na 2 Juliet Musanase wa Forum for Democratic Change na Jana Nkumbi ahireyo bururu igana 9 na bushatu rero Aisha Chimpaye wa People's Progressive Party ahireyo bururu igana 5 na mshanjo.
There are a few reported incidents of suspected electoral criminality. For example, at Usinani Police Station, Busanza Sub-County, where there was alleged ballot stuffing.
We are looking at 2026. We have tested what the opposition can be in Kisoro by having 2 candidates, one flag bearer, the other leaning. We are not offended by anything. We have simply to do a few things to correct our internal processes, and home we go.
Bwanyuma yo kurangerwa Achifeza asimira abantu kandi oguyaraganisa kora ebyatwire n'abaraganisa
ekitukurebaho n'entunguka hakubitwe tukagira ngo ekitwenda n'entunguka kandi no kumanya ngo kandi turondo omuntu oshikire kandi orukubibasa owabyegire kandi akabikora mu mirimo yature nakora arukunda abantu kandi ari kucengaje by'abacyara eby'abana abantu abino burema hamubiri
Erizoba Achifeza n'abahagize be basibo mu kwesima omuri Kisoro kandi bakorora terane ahari Mayor's Garden omuri Kabare aho Achifeza yasima Dr. Firmon Mateke okumuhwera ombororobo
kubwo urukundo ufite Gisoro kubwo ukuntu wa ibintu tunyuzemo ukuntu wa mbere umubyeyi ukuntu wa mbere amaguru
aba hose muri bufumbira mwakoze guha umucara wanje akaruru kandi n'umukozi ntareki bwari kwemera ngo umuntu w'ikibwari aze kuturidinga.
Mateke we yasima abantu bo muri Kisoro ahabwo batatina bimwe ebire biryo mu karuraka bakicereza kushaje ko umuntu wabo Achifeza
n'ukora abaturage nkabo kugira mu parliament ndakindi
urangije muzeyi
ushaka population bangira mu na ukoze
gasha kwa Job na Amanya na Keta tuzarirwe